how do we generate a factorial design? Just to illustrate, a full factorial design will, of course, software will do it everything automatically, but you should have some understanding what is happening in the software. So how do we generate factorial designs? So what is a factorial design? So factorial design is all possible combinations of factors. Okay, if you have variable A, it can be low and high. Variable B also can be low and high. Then A low, B low, A high, B high. Sorry, A low, B low, A high, B low, etc. Then A low, B high, A high, B high. So we have 4 combinations possible. So how do we generate a factorial design? You make columns for all factors. Keep first factor at low level in first row, then at high level. So this is a systematic approach to generate a full factorial design. Then keep second factor at low level for first set. Repeat first set, keeping second factor at high level. For example, standard order is the order which you generate the design. Afterwards, we have to generate a run order to find out the order in which you have to do the experiment. So that is the run order. So first, so you list out variables one by one. So if you have only 2 variables, 2 factors. So first factor you write, the low level will be -1, high level will be +1. Then if you have another variable, say B, so for these 2 we'll keep B at low level. Then we repeat this first 2, A -1 +1, and for those 2 we'll keep B at high level. So now we get all 4 combinations of A and B if each are at 2 levels. If there are 3 levels, say, then maybe if you are using -1, 0, 1, you have to use -1, 0, 1, -1, 0, 1, etc. It will get repeated. Okay. So C is, so if there is a third variable, then all this at C equal to -1 is the first set, and then you repeat this. C is +1. The same thing up to here is repeated here. -1, -1, -1, -1, +1, -1, +1, -1, -1, +1, -1, +1, +1, +1, +1, +1. So, but here all are C is +1. So that this is the way we can generate a design. Okay, so a 2 raised to 3 experiment. So why we say 2 raised to 3? The 2 raised to 3 means 8, isn't it? So how do you get 8? So 2 is the number of levels for each factor, and 3 is the number of factors. So 2 raised to 3 experiments means an experiment involving 3 factors, each having 2 levels. So a 2 raised to 3 experiment is to be done to determine the cutting conditions for best surface finish. The factors and levels are, suppose these are the factors: A, feed, low level is 0.15, 0.1, high level is 0.5 millimeter per revolution. B is nose radius, low level is 0.4, high level is 1.2. C is speed, low level is 10 meter per minute, high level is 50 meter per minute. So generate a design with 2 replications using uncoded levels. So coded level is, so low level we use -1 and +1 is a sort of coding. So, but a layman will not be able to understand how to do the experiment from that. So you have to tell him how to do the experiment using uncoded levels. Okay. So there is a assignment question coming in the EduServer. So you will have to write using uncoded levels. Otherwise, you will not get full marks. Okay. So similar one experimental design you have to generate and write down on paper and upload. So that requires a little time. So don't wait till last minute. Okay. So try to do this exercise without waiting for the last minute. Okay. So this is the solution. So this is the standard order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So feed 0.1, 0.5. So this is in not -1 +1, but we are writing in the actual values, uncoded values. Okay. 0.4, 0.4. So whole thing is one replication. So this is one design. And if you repeat the whole thing, it will become a second replication. So this is the second replication. Okay, 9 to 16. So we have repeated. So previously it was 1 to 8, same thing. And now it is 9 to 16. So second replication. So question was generate a design with 2 replications using uncoded levels. Okay, so this is the answer. So you have to upload a sheet with, so I think this question asked will have 4 factors. So it will be long. So write in one A4 size sheet and upload. Okay, so this is the answer. More than 2 levels, same logic applies. So you will go, so if first variable has 3 levels, you will go -1, 0, 1 like that, or low, middle, high like that. Or if it is a second variable, first variable you will complete, then second variable low, then second variable middle, then second variable high, like that. Okay. So this is similar, such questions will be there. It is required to compare the effectiveness of 2 advertisements, one involving Amitabh or the other Shah Rukh. The age group can be young, middle, or old. So we want to, an advertisement company has to decide which advertisement is better. Okay. So they don't want to simply take a decision. So now we have learned the power of the experimental method. So we'd like to do an experiment. So of course, it depends on the target age group. So some products which are meant for old people, Amitabh may be better. For young people, maybe Shah Rukh may be better. I don't know. Even these two may be old for you now. I don't know whether you know about Amitabh or not. So I am not in touch with the latest actors, perhaps. Okay, so age group, the people for whom the advertisement is targeted can be divided based on age group. They can also be divided based on gender. So list a factorial design with 2 replications in 2 blocks in random order. So we want to find out which advertisement generates maximum response. So even you can measure the pupil diameter. So when a person sees the advertisement, whether or how much time he spends looking at that. So many ways you can compare the effectiveness of advertisements. So people, so now people do such experiments to find out which advertisement is better. So of course they do trials and then decide on all these characteristics which advertisement is better. So maybe some group, one advertisement is more effective, or it doesn't matter. You may get, your problem will be to list a factorial design with 2 replications in 2 blocks in random order. Check whether the run order is satisfactory. So we have factors are advertisement, hero, and okay, advertisement is Amitabh or Shah Rukh. Age group is young, middle, or old, and gender is male or female. We have 3 factors. So you have to generate the design just like this. Okay, so some like this you will have to list out your experimental design. And then how do we generate run orders?